Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set due dates on Trello cards. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set some due dates for some Trello cards. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now in my particular example, because I have due dates for when videos need to be published, you can see that I have all these due dates here. So if we click onto a Trello card, all you've got to do is click onto it and then click on the due date here. So if we take a card that doesn't have a due date, we can click on that, click on dates, and then assign the date, and just make sure that you save it, and there you have it. Now this is the due date, and then if you want to go ahead and mark this card as complete, all you've got to do is click on the circle here and click on mark as complete. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set due dates on Trello cards. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.